Hello students, hope you all are good and safe at home. Today we will start prime numbers, composite numbers, twin prime, co-prime, and it is part 3 of factor and multiple. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors, 1 and itself. Example for 5. 1 5s are 5. 5 has only two factors, 1 and 5, so it is prime number. Composite numbers. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than two factors. Example for 12. 1 12s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factor of 12, that is more than 2. So according to definition, it is composite number. Now I will describe twin primes. Twin primes are prime whose difference is 2 and only one composite number in between them. Example for 29 and 31 are twin prime number because their difference is 2. 31 minus 29 equal to 2, and one composite number between 29 and 31, and the composite number is 30. So it is twin prime numbers. Now I will describe co-prime numbers. What are co-prime numbers? Two numbers that have only 1 as the common factor are known as co-prime numbers. All the prime are co-prime numbers. Example for 35 and 39. The factors of 35 is 1, 5 and 7, and the factors of 39 is 3, 13, 1, and their common factor is 1. According to definition, 35 and 39 are co-prime number because their common factor is 1. It is sieve of Eratosthenes. The counting from 1 to 100 and red boxes are shown prime numbers: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These are prime number and the remaining are composite number. But one is neither prime number nor composite number. One is a unique number, and 2 is the smallest prime number, and 97 is the largest two-digit prime numbers. There are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. Now I will tell you prime factorization using division method. Division means divide. 90 divided by 2 equal to 45. When you divide 45 by 3, answer is 15. When you divide 15 by 3, answer is 5. When you divide 5 by 5, answer is 1. Remember, we will divide by only prime numbers because it is prime factorization. So the prime factorization of 90 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Second example, 468. When you divide 468 by 2, you will get 234. When you divide 234 by 2, you will get 117. When you divide 117 by 3, you will get 39. When you divide 39 by 3, you will get 13. And when you divide 13 by 13, you will get 1. You will continue this process till 1. So, prime factorization of 468 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. It is example of prime factorization using division method. Write the prime factorization by drawing the factor tree method. Example 4, 180. So, you will draw the branches of 180. When you divide 180 by 2, you will get 90. Now you will make branches of 90. When you divide 90 by 2, you will get 45. Now you will make branches of 45. When you divide 45 by 3, you will get 15. Now you will make branches of 15. When you divide 15 by 3, you will get 5. And when you divide 5 by 5, you will get 1. So, the prime factorization of 180 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5. Next example, 630. When you divide 630 by 2, you will get 315. When you divide 315 by 3, you will get 105. When you divide 105 by 3, you will get 35. When you divide 35 by 5, you will get 7. And when you divide 7 by 7, you will get 1. Remember, you will divide by only prime numbers. 630, the prime factorization of 630 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. It is example of prime factorization by drawing factor tree. Hope you understand the concept of this exercise. Thank you and have a nice time.